Canada is an energy powerhouse. It possesses vast reserves of oil, natural gas, and hydroelectricity. The United States for decades has heavily relied on this northern neighbor to satisfy its enormous energy appetite. This mutually beneficial relationship has fostered economic growth and interdependence. However, the once unthinkable complete halt of Canadian energy exports to the U.S. is becoming a disturbing possibility. The U.S. relies on Canada for a significant portion of its energy needs. This makes America vulnerable to any disruption in supply. Recent political events have strained the relationship, raising concerns about the future of this energy partnership. What would happen if Canada decided to cut off this vital energy lifeline? The potential consequences are significant. They extend far beyond simple economic calculations, impacting industries, jobs, and even the geopolitical landscape of North America. This essay will delve into the complexities of this scenario, examining the historical context, the potential fallout, and the long-term implications for both nations. This is not just a story about energy, it's a story about trust, interdependence, and the delicate balance of power between two nations, inextricably linked by geography, history, and economic ties. Canada's energy exports to the U.S. are substantial. They play a crucial role in powering the American economy. Every day, millions of barrels of oil and cubic feet of natural gas cross the border. This energy flow fuels American cars, heats homes, and powers industries. The northern states, particularly those sharing a border with Canada, are heavily dependent on this energy flow. Michigan, New York, and Minnesota rely on Canadian imports for heating, electricity generation, and industrial processes. Disruptions to this supply would have a crippling effect on these states, particularly during harsh winter months. The automotive, steel, and manufacturing sectors are particularly vulnerable. These industries depend on affordable energy for production. Any price spike or supply disruption would send shockwaves through their supply chains, increasing costs and potentially leading to job losses. The agricultural sector, heavily reliant on natural gas for fertilizer production, would also face significant challenges. The economic impact wouldn't be limited to specific sectors or regions. It would ripple throughout the entire U.S. economy, leading to inflation, decreased consumer spending, and potentially even recession. The roots of this potential energy crisis lie in the trade war ignited during the Trump administration. The imposition of tariffs on Canadian steel and aluminum, deemed a threat to U.S. national security, sparked outrage and retaliation from Canada. This marked a significant departure from the historically strong trade relationship between the two countries. Canada, unwilling to accept these measures lying down, responded with retaliatory tariffs on U.S. goods. Tensions escalated further, with heated rhetoric and threats of further economic action. This trade war, instead of achieving its intended goal of protecting American industries, served to damage the deeply integrated economies of both nations. In 2024, tensions reached a boiling point when then-President Trump, in a move widely seen as a provocation, floated the idea of annexing Canada as the 51st state. This sparked outrage and protests across Canada, further souring the relationship. The proposal, while quickly dismissed by both Canadian and American officials, exposed the growing rift and mistrust between the two countries. The trade war and subsequent political posturing created an environment of uncertainty and animosity. It forced Canada to reassess its reliance on the U.S. market and explore alternative economic partnerships. This shift in Canadian policy has significant implications for the future of North American energy trade. Turning off the taps, the devastating impacts of an energy embargo. The immediate impact of Canada cutting off energy exports to the United States would be severe, particularly for the northern states. Millions of homes rely on Canadian natural gas for heating during the frigid winter months. A sudden halt to this supply would leave families shivering in the dark, facing a humanitarian crisis. Power plants, many of which rely on Canadian natural gas or hydroelectricity, would struggle to meet demand. Rolling blackouts would become a grim reality, disrupting daily life and crippling businesses. Hospitals, reliant on a constant flow of electricity, would face immense challenges in providing critical care. The economic fallout would be catastrophic. Industries, starved of affordable energy, would see production costs skyrocket. Factories would be forced to shut down, leading to mass layoffs and economic hardship. The agricultural sector, heavily dependent on energy for everything from fertilizer production to transportation, would face devastating consequences, potentially leading to food shortages. The price of gasoline, already a source of anxiety for many Americans, would skyrocket to unprecedented levels. This would further strain household budgets, forcing families to make difficult choices between essential needs. The economic turmoil wouldn't be confined to the United States. It would have global repercussions as markets react to the sudden loss of a major energy supplier. Echoes of geopolitical games Russia's energy weaponization as a cautionary tale. The potential for Canada to leverage its energy resources as a geopolitical tool has sparked comparisons to Russia's use of natural gas as leverage against Europe. Russia for years has used its vast natural gas reserves to exert political pressure on its European neighbors, often cutting off or threatening to cut off supplies during times of political tension. The 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine and the subsequent sanctions imposed by the West brought this issue into sharp focus. Russia's weaponization of its energy resources by reducing gas flows to Europe created an energy crisis, forcing European nations to scramble for alternative sources and implement energy rationing measures. While Canada is unlikely to resort to such drastic measures, the parallels are undeniable. The possibility of Canada redirecting its energy exports away from the United States to other markets, such as Europe or Asia, is no longer unthinkable. This would leave the United States in a precarious position, heavily reliant on less stable or more expensive energy sources. This situation highlights the dangers of overdependence on a single trading partner for essential resources, particularly when geopolitical tensions are high. It underscores the need for energy security and diversification of supply. Canada's counter-move, diversifying partnerships and securing the future. Faced with growing uncertainty in its relationship with the United States, Canada has embarked on a strategic path of diversifying its energy markets and strengthening ties with other global players. This move is driven by a desire to reduce its economic reliance on the United States and secure its energy future in an increasingly volatile geopolitical landscape. Canada has been actively pursuing trade deals with the European Union and Asian countries, aiming to increase its energy exports to these regions. The Trans Mountain Pipeline expansion, for example, is designed to increase Canadian oil exports to Asian markets, reducing its dependence on United States refineries. Furthermore, Canada has positioned itself as a key player in the global transition to clean energy. It possesses abundant resources crucial for renewable energy technologies, such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel, essential components for batteries used in electric vehicles and grid storage. By becoming a vital supplier of these critical minerals, Canada is securing its place in the future global energy market. This strategic move aligns with the growing global demand for clean energy solutions and reduces its reliance on traditional fossil fuel exports. Conclusion: a new energy world order and the uncertain fate of North American relations. The potential for Canada to cut off energy exports to the United States highlights the fragility of the existing energy landscape. The days of unquestioned energy interdependence between the two nations are fading. The United States faces a future where its energy security is no longer guaranteed. It must confront the consequences of its past actions and strained trade policies. For Canada, the path forward requires a delicate balancing act. It must diversify its energy markets and rebuild trust with its southern neighbor. The future of North American energy is uncertain. It hinges on the ability of both nations to navigate the complex geopolitical landscape and forge a new era of cooperation. This new era demands careful planning, strategic partnerships, and a commitment to a sustainable energy future.